Solubility rules for salts and water. You have to remember this table. This is very important because we have to prepare some salts, and for preparation of salt you have to know if your salt is water soluble or water insoluble. So do remember that any salt which contains sodium, that is sodium ion, potassium, that is potassium ion, ammonium ion or nitrate ion, any salt, it will always water soluble. Any salt which contains sodium, potassium, ammonium or nitrate ion will always be water soluble. So usually salt is a combination of metal with nitrate ion, with chloride ion. So the salt having a chloride ion will call a metal chloride, for suppose. So all chloride salts are soluble except silver chloride, that is AgCl, and lead chloride, that is PbCl2. All chloride salts are soluble except silver chloride and lead chloride. These two chloride salts are not soluble in water. Next is a salt can be a combination of any metal with sulfate ion. So we can call it as a metal sulfate. So sulfate, the formula for sulfate ion is SO4 -2. So all sulfate salts are also water soluble except barium sulfate, BaSO4, lead sulfate, PbSO4, and calcium sulfate, which is also not completely soluble in water but sparingly soluble, that is partly soluble. Okay, a salt can be a combination of metal and a nitrate ion. So the salt having a nitrate ion is known as nitrate or metal nitrate. So all metal nitrates are salts and these all are water soluble. None of the nitrate salt is insoluble in water. Okay. A salt can be a combination of a metal and a carbonate ion, that is CO3 -2 ion. So all carbonates are insoluble except carbonates having sodium, potassium and ammonium as a cation in its structure is soluble in water. So a carbonate having a sodium cation, that is sodium carbonate, a carbonate having a potassium cation, that is potassium carbonate, and a carbonate having ammonium ion, that is ammonium carbonate, is soluble in water.